Welcome! Today we'll guide you through setting up your Fast Helpdesk. This tutorial covers everything from initial registration to embedding your help desk on your website, ensuring a smooth support experience for your users. Creating a help desk at https://fasthelpdesk.com/register does not require a credit card. Enter the name of the help desk, e.g., My Company Support, your email address, i.e., the email address of the help desk owner, and your country. You can also upload your company logo. After saving the basic information, help desk name, email, password, the dashboard page will appear. The dashboard page is only available to you and administrators that you invite. You can also invite agents, but they will not be able to see this page. The help desk is functional even without inviting administrators or agents, and even without adding ticket categories. Within the dashboard, you can define specific categories for tickets, making organization easy. In addition to the default statuses, you can add your own ticket statuses. On the third tab, you can invite agents and administrators. If you will be handling tickets yourself, this step is not necessary. The agent or administrator you invited will receive an email like this. By clicking on the button or link, your future colleague will be redirected to a form where they can create an account. The dashboard page displays a preview of the iframe that needs to be inserted into your company website. Here, you can set the height of the iframe and one of the color schemes. Click the Copy button in the upper right corner of the preview to copy the iframe code. This code will need to be inserted into your website. For those using Google Sites, embedding is straightforward. You'll use the Embed Code option, pasting the provided iframe code. This seamlessly integrates your support form into your existing web pages. Your customer fills out the form and submits the request. A message will appear indicating that the request has been successfully saved. You will immediately see the request on the Tickets page. Here you can assign a resolver or change the status of the ticket. On the Ticket Details page, you can respond to the customer via comments. You can attach one or more attachments to a comment. Comments can be sent to the customer or canceled. If you send a comment, it will be delivered to your customer by email. The customer can reply to this email and attach files. The reply sent by the customer from their email address is displayed on the Ticket Details page in the Customer Responses section. At the bottom of the dashboard page, there is a link called User Activities. Here you can view the history of edits. On the User Activities page, you can see when your colleagues wrote and sent a comment to a customer, when a ticket was assigned to whom, or where an invitation was sent to a new agent.